Why is quadrilateral area measured in square units? Have you ever wondered why we measure the area of quadrilaterals in square units? It might seem simple, but there is a lot to unpack. The area of a quadrilateral represents the amount of two-dimensional space enclosed within its boundaries. This means we are looking at the surface that the shape covers. To measure this area, we use square units. Each square unit is a square with sides of 1 unit long, like 1 centimeter or 1 inch. Imagine filling the inside of a quadrilateral with these unit squares. The total number of these squares that fit inside gives us the area. Now let's break it down a bit more. When we talk about length, we are measuring one-dimensional distance. For example, the length of one side of a shape is expressed in meters or inches. But when we measure area, we need to consider two dimensions, length and width. This is why we multiply the units, resulting in square units such as square meters or square inches. Quadrilaterals are four-sided shapes, and their area is the total space within those four sides. Different types of quadrilaterals, like squares, rectangles, and trapezoids, can have various shapes. To find their area, we often divide them into simpler shapes, like triangles, which are easier to calculate. Regardless of the method, we always end up counting how many square units fit inside the quadrilateral. Using square units provides a clear and consistent way to compare the areas of different shapes. It aligns with how we define area for all two-dimensional figures, including triangles, circles, and polygons. In everyday life, knowing that area is measured in square units helps us in many practical situations. For instance, if you want to paint a wall, you need to know how much area you are covering. Similarly, when buying carpet for a room, you must calculate the area to ensure you purchase enough material. Each of these tasks involves covering a surface, and square units are the natural way to measure that coverage. So next time you think about the area of a quadrilateral, remember that square units are not just a number. They representing the actual space inside the shape, making it easier to visualize and understand the area we are working with.